Welcome to a world where word becomes alive and the stories reveal the beauty and the complexity of human experience. In our English literature classes, each page we turn become a doorway to adventure, wisdom, and imagination. I am Priyanka Sarachandra. I am the facilitator of the captivating world of English literature. I work with the students from grade 6 all the way up to grade 11, nurturing their interest towards English literature and helping them to understand, recognize their own voice and passion within the pages of great work. So we have two separate classes for junior students and senior students. Junior student from grade 6 to 9 and senior students class grade 10 to 11. Especially for the junior class from students who are in grade 6 to 9 in government schools, they don't have a specific syllabus for them. But sometimes when they are in grade 11, they find difficult to take the subject English literature as they don't have any idea about the subject. Because of that, to raise their curiosity, to help them to inculcate, understand the basic of English literature, we have planned a special class for the grade 6 and 9. There, we teach them poem, proses, dramas, and a bit of fiction. So most of these components help them to understand what is literature. Actually, we are not teaching them the poems as a story or the story they just read word by word, but we help them to understand all the literary devices and themes. So end of each component, I ask each students to do their self-presentation. So it will help them to build their self-confidence as well. So automatically with the English literature, the language part is automatically improving just because they are involving with their contents. Actually, English literature for the government students, they start English literature in grade 10. So our senior class specially designed for them. During the grade 10 and 11 class, we follow the school syllabus. We strongly stick with the syllabus and thoroughly explain each poems, dramas, proses, and fiction. So all the poems, we have 20 poems here, 2 dramas, 4 proses, and 3 fictions. Out of those 3 fictions, we have taken Vendor of Sweets, which help you to write very creative answers. At the same time, understanding the content is a bit easy. Here, when we consider the syllabus, some of the students, not some actually, most of the students, they consider syllabus is a bit heavy because learning 20 poems, 2 dramas, 4 proses and a fiction is somewhat difficult. So considering all of these, students take a very stupid decision. I would say the wrong decision. They avoid taking English literature, but actually English literature is the easiest subject. Yes, it is difficult if you consider, if you want to take the notes and by heart them, write them on the paper, it is not going to work out for you, right? So it is not what expected from the paper as well. You have to understand the poem and write it in your own word, understand which literary device is used and which theme is addressed there. So that part, if you understand the real core of the language, real core of the subject, English literature would be the easiest subject for you because it is the lightest subject in the syllabus according to my consideration. No matter poems or dramas or the proses, after completing each of them, I give you the quizzes, which are online papers, online question papers, and it look like a game, very interesting, but it help you to recall your studies. At the same time, every component, after completing every component, each student should do their self-presentation. So I consider writing content on the papers or copywriting the notes will not help a student to grow with the knowledge. So because of that reason, I asked them to do the self presentation, and with that different students, they can come out with their own ideas. It will help them to improve their imagination, at the same time creativity as well. Okay, not only for the English medium students, not only for the Sinhala medium students, but we conduct literature classes for the Tamil students as well. So ஆங்கில ஆட்களுக்கு மட்டும் இல்லை, சிங்கள ஆட்களுக்கு மட்டும் இல்லை, தமிழ் ஆட்களுக்கும் சேர்ந்து எங்களோட கிளாஸில் ஜாயின் பண்ணலாம். எங்களோட கிளாஸஸ் நாங்கள் 2 வகையாக கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஒன்று தான் ஜூனியர் கிளாஸ், அடுத்தது வந்து சீனியர் கிளாஸ். ஜூனியர் கிளாஸஸ் நாங்கள் ஏன் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறோன்னு சொன்னால், இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் உண்மையாகவே கிரேட் 6ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறது இல்லை, அது வந்து கிரேட் 10ல இருந்து தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறது. ஆனாலும் சம்டைம்ஸ் கிரேட் 10ல பிள்ளைகள் கிளாஸ்க்கு சேரும் போது இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் சரியான கஷ்டமான சப்ஜெக்ட், அதில் ஏ எடுக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம், A9 எடுக்கிற நேரத்தில் லிட்ரேச்சருக்கு ஏ இல்லாமல் போனால் அதில் ஒரு பிரச்சனை வருதுன்னு சொல்லி இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் எடுக்க மாட்டாங்க கிரேட் 10ல வரும் போல். அதனால தான் நாங்கள் கிரேட் 6லயே இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சரை அவங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணுறது. இதில் கிரேட் 6ல நாங்கள் கிரேட் 10ல வர மாதிரியே போயம்ஸ், ட்ராமாஸ், ப்ரோசஸ், ஃபிக்ஷன்ஸ் படிப்பிக்கிறோம். ஆனால் அது வந்து பிள்ளைகளுக்கு ஒரு ஃபவுண்டேஷன் நாலேஜை மட்டும்தான் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறது. அப்போ அதில் ஒரு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் எடுத்துக்கொள்ளுவாங்க. லிட்ரேச்சர்னா என்ன, லிட்ரரி டிவைசஸ்னா என்ன, தீம்ஸ்னா என்னன்னு பிள்ளைகளுக்கு வந்து லிட்ரேச்சர் வந்து ஒரு கடினமான சப்ஜெக்ட் இல்லை, இதோ ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான சப்ஜெக்ட், நாங்கள் ஆசையாக படிக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட்னு ஐடியா கொடுக்கறதுக்காகத்தான் நாங்கள் ஜூனியர் கிளாஸை டிஃபைன் பண்ணி இருக்கிறது. அடுத்தது வந்து சீனியர் கிளாஸ் ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் வழமையாக ஸ்கூல்ஸில் கிரேட் 10, 11ல் படிப்பிக்கிற சிலபஸ் எந்த குறையும் இல்லாமல் போயம்ஸ், ட்ராமாஸ், ப்ரோசஸ், ஃபிக்ஷன்னா 4 பகுதியும் மொத்த சிலபஸும் கவர் பண்ணப்படும். அதில் தேவையான நேரத்தில் இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியம் படிக்கிற பிள்ளைகளுக்கு மட்டும் இல்லை, தமிழ் மீடியம் படிக்கிற பிள்ளைகளுக்கும் கூட இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் எடுக்கலாம். வழமையாக வந்து தமிழ் மீடியம் படிக்கிற பிள்ளைகளோட அந்த எழுதுகிற திறமை கூடுதலாக இருக்கிறனால இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் அவங்களுக்கு இன்னும் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான ஒரு சப்ஜெக்டாக மாறும். அட் த சேம் டைம் இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் செய்கிற பிள்ளைகள் இவென்ச்சுவலாக ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலாக அவங்களோட இங்கிலீஷ் நாலேஜ் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும். அதே நேரத்தில் அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான டைமில் எனக்கு கிளாஸ் வகுப்புக்குள்ளுக்கு சொன்னால் டீச்சர் எனக்கு தமிழில் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்கன்னு நான் தமிழ் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் ரெடியாக இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ தமிழ் மீடியம் பிள்ளைகள் கூட எங்களோட இணைந்து கொள்ளலாம். මම ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක ග්‍රේඩ් 6 එකේ ළමයිට ඉඳලා පටන් ගන්න හේතු දෙකක්. එකක් තමයි දෙමව්පියන්ගේ විශ්වාසයක් තියෙනවා ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් කියලා සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක හරිම අමාරුයි කියන එක. ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් කියන සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් දරුවන්ට විතරයි මේක සූටබල් කියන අදහසකුත් තියෙනවා. මේ අදහස් දෙකම වැරදි කියලා තේරුම් කරලා දෙන්න තමයි මම ග්‍රේඩ් 6 එකේ ඉඳලා ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් කියන සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක පටන් අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. මේ ග්‍රේඩ් 6 එකෙන් පටන් ගන්න ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් සබ්ජෙක්ට් එකේ අපේ සීනියර් ක්ලාස් එකේ ගවර්න්මන්ට් සිලබස් එකේ ග්‍රේඩ් 10 11 සබ්ජෙක්ට්ස් එකේ කවර් වෙනවා වගේම පොයම්ස්, ප්‍රෝස්, ඩ්‍රාමා, ෆික්ෂන්ස් කියන කොටස් හැම දෙයක්ම කවර් කරනවා. එතකොට දරුවට අවබෝධයක් එනවා මොකද්ද මේ ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් කියන්නේ, මොනවද මේකේ යූස් වෙන ලිටරරි ටෙක්නික්ස් මොනවද, මෙතනදී කතා කරන තීම්ස් මොනවද කියන එක ග්‍රේඩ් 6 එකේ මාස 2-3ක් යනකොට හොඳ දැනුමක් එනවා. ග්‍රේඩ් 9 එක ඉවර වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් සම්බන්ධව සම්පූර්ණ හොඳ දැනුමක් තියෙන දරුවෙක් එතනදී මට පුළුවන් බිහි කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ ග්‍රේඩ් 10 එකේදී අපිට දරුවන්ට හම්බ වෙන බකට් සබ්ජෙක්ට්ස් වලින් සිලෙක්ට් කරන්න තියෙන සබ්ජෙක්ට් වලින් ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් කියන සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක හරියම පහසුවෙන් සිලෙක්ට් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. අනිත් දේ තමයි ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් කියලා සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක දරුවන්ට කිව්වම දරුවෝ හිතන්නේ මේක ලොකු සිලබස් එකක්, ගොඩාක් දේවල් කටපාඩම් කරන්න තියෙනවා, ලොකු නෝට්ස් ලියන්න තියෙනවා. ඒක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම වැරදි. ඇත්තටම අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් පේපර් එක අරගෙන බැලුවොත් ඒ ලිටරේචර් පේපර් එකේ කියන ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් කවදාවත් කටපාඩම් කරලා ගුරුවරයෙක් කලින් දීපු නෝට් එකක් කටපාඩම් කරලා ලියන්න බෑ. එහෙම ලියනවා නම් විශ්වාසයෙන්ම කියන්න පුළුවන් C grade එක පන්නලා කවුරුත් ස්කෝර් කරන්නෙත් නැහැ. ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් එකේ තියෙන ස්පෙෂාලිටි එක තමයි right wrong කියන answers නැහැ. අපේ තියෙන ආගියුමන්ට් එක මට ඒකට ආගියුමන්ට් එකට අදාළව එවිඩන්ස් ප්‍රොවයිඩ් කරන්න දන්නවා නම් ඒක හරි විදිහට මට කියාගන්න දන්නවා නම් මට මගේ ආන්සර් එක ජස්ටිෆයි කරගන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඒ ආන්සර් එක හරි කියන තත්වයට තියෙන මාකින් සිස්ටම් එකක් තමයි ඉංග්‍රීසි ලිටරේචර් වල තියෙන්නේ. හොඳම දේ තමයි අදාළ පොයම් එකක් එහෙම නැත්නම් ඩ්‍රාමා එකක් ගත්තොත් ඒ දේ හරියට තේරුම් අරගෙන ඒකේ කතාව ඇතුලේ තියෙන තීම් එකයි ලිටරරි ඩිවයිසස් ගැන අවධානයක් තිබුණොත් හොඳටම ඇති ඒ දැනුමත් එක්කලා අහන ඕනම ප්‍රශ්නයකට දරුවෙකුට තනියම ආන්සර් එක ඒ අවස්ථාවේදී ලියන්න ඕමනා කරන දැනුම මම හදලා දෙනවා. ඒක අපි ක්ලාස් එකේ ඇතුලේ කරන self presentations ඊට අමතරව කරන online quizzes especially මෙන්න මේ Padlet writing කියන එක. Padlet එකේ link එක මම එයාලත් එක්කලා share කරලා දරුවන්ට කියනවා එයාලගේ answers එක එතන share කරන්න කියලා. මම class එක ඇතුලේ question එක ලියලා තියෙන answer එක බලලා ඒකේ තියෙන corrections කරලා දෙනවා. එතකොට හැම දවසකම දරුවෝ තමන්ගේ questions වලට answer කරලා යාලට දැනුමක් එනවා. මෙන්න මේ විදිහට තමයි මම මේක answer එක ලියන්න ඕනි කියලා. එහෙම නැතුව literature කියලා කියන්නේ කටපාඩම් කරලා කරන subject එකක් නෙමෙයි. හරිම ආසාවෙන් ඒක ඇතුළාන්තයට ගිහිල්ලා ඒක ඇතුළාන්තයේ විඳලා හරිම simply answer එකක් draft කරගන්න පුළුවන් subject එකක්. So I want to include this very special point about our Guru Niwasa classes. Normally when you attend physical classes or online classes, once you are unable to attend the class, you won't be able to cover that lesson. But here in Guru Niwasa, whenever you miss one lesson, after conducting that class within 24 hours, we are going to upload that into our LMS. So you will be able to revise that lesson whenever you want. Not only the particular lesson, but also all the previous lessons are included in our LMS. At the same time, if you are in grade 11, you will be able to access that grade 10 class videos as well. So all the recordings will be available in our LMS whenever you want. Sometimes you have attended the classes, but you find difficult to understand the lesson during the class. So you feel like you want to revise it. Then our LMS is specially designed for you to revise the lessons, and the lessons which you have missed, you can recover them. Whether you are new to English literature or looking to deepen your understanding, my classes offer a welcoming space to learn, grow, and to be inspired. If you're attending my senior classes, you have to take your school textbook. At the same time, past paper book. Past paper book is a must. This should be with you. At the same time, the prose, the vendor of sweet. This is the version. Right? At the same time, the junior class students, the poems, the dramas, and the proses, script will be provided by me, but you have to take this book, the Jungle Book, Macmillan edition. Hopefully, I have given you the entire picture about the English literature subject, components and all the areas we are going to cover, and whatever the activities we are going to practice during the class hours. I have explained everything. I think you guys will join the classes. So I'm so excited to see you on board. Thank you so much.